Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many players dream of sporting a vibrant rainbow name in Brawl Stars. Unfortunately, the old secret codes for changing your name color are completely gone. For 2025, Supercell has introduced a brand new, exclusive way to get this special cosmetic. We're diving deep into the one official method, ensuring you know exactly how to achieve this unique look. It's an exciting update, making these names truly special rewards within the game. For years, players customized their names using special hexadecimal color codes directly in the name change menu. This allowed for various vibrant colors, including makeshift rainbows. However, Supercell officially discontinued this feature a while ago. Their goal was to streamline player profiles and prevent potential misuse of the system. Trying these old methods now simply won't work, so it is important to understand the new official process. In 2025, the only official path to a rainbow name is through the highest tiers of the Brawl Pass Plus. Supercell now offers this unique cosmetic as an exclusive reward for dedicated players who progress significantly through the premium season. It is not something you can simply purchase directly or unlock with a hidden code anymore. This change makes your rainbow name a true mark of accomplishment, showcasing your commitment to the game. To earn your prestigious rainbow name, first, purchase the Brawl Pass Plus at the beginning of a new season. Then, dedicate yourself to playing consistently, completing all your daily and weekly quests. This ensures you gain maximum experience points and quickly advance through the reward tiers. Once you hit the specific tier where the rainbow name is listed, it will be automatically applied or made available for your next name change. It's a straightforward, yet rewarding process. Keep in mind that once you unlock your rainbow name through the Brawl Pass Plus, it's a permanent feature for your account. It will not expire after the season ends. While the Brawl Pass Plus is currently the sole method, Supercell frequently updates the game, potentially adding new, limited-time cosmetic rewards. Always follow their official social media channels and in-game news for the latest announcements. Enjoy showing off your truly unique and hard-earned rainbow name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.